Good afternoon, Con here with Techout, and today I'm back with an update to the iOS 19 concept preview here from the Shane Levine and iDevice Help on YouTube. He demos this on his channel as well, and like I said in my last video showing this off, they are adding some new features and stuff like that to this demo so you can try more and more things out. And today they have added the Settings app, as you can see here, that glassy look, as well as new icons, text, and stuff like that. You can go through here and toggle these. They don't actually do anything. You can't go to any of the pages or anything like that, but the toggles do toggle. Another concept they've introduced is if you open an app like this, the possibility to swipe to go back home, swipe down to go back home, rather than swiping up from the bottom. And then they also added another page here, which this concept is for, as you can see, the apps are the same on both pages, but being able to set up multiple pages. And if you swipe over to the right here, as you can see, it goes into a dark mode. This would be like a do not disturb or a work kind of mode. So depending on what page you were using on your app screen could determine the mode. Now you can kind of do somewhat like this in iOS 18 where you can set up a home screen look, or get rid of pages and stuff like that, hide pages if you're in a focus mode. I don't know about this concept because to me, people who have multiple pages of apps, you're not going to want to be swiping and have one page be one focus mode and another page be the other focus mode if you want to use multiple. So I'm not too sure how that will exactly work if that does become a thing. Again, all this is just a concept right now. It's based on some leaks. It's based on some rumors. It's based on, just what they think is going to happen. So this is the current demo here on iOS 19 on this preview. Again, this runs as an app clip, so you can try it on your phone today as well if you want to see what it's going to look like, what it's going to feel like on your particular device. And they are constantly updating it. Like I said, they added the settings and stuff like that. So they are adding more and more apps. I think they said the Reminders app is going to be next. So you can kind of get a feel for what iOS 19 might be like before the developer preview comes out. And of course, when the developer preview is out in June 9th is the official date. Apple has released that. We will be installing it here on this iPhone 16 Pro Max, as well as my iPad Air. And we'll be getting a first-hand look on, or look at iOS 19 for the developer preview, beta 1, right from the start. So I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.